Last lesson, we looked at the different states of matter. Do you remember what they were? How we broke them down?
There was solids and liquids and gas.
Good. So we've broken those three down because they're all different states of matter. Which one of these objects here is the solid?
This one,
Why is that?
because it keeps its shape.
Good. And which one is the liquid?
This one, because it can move around the container.
So it has that free flow effect. Good. And obviously this one is the gas. Why is that?
Because when you put the lid on, all the gas is inside.
Yeah, so it's all contained within the container and it fills up the entire container. Good. Alright. So, do you think it's possible that they can move from one state to the other?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, this soap, it's a solid now. What will we do to make it a liquid or a gas? Is it possible with the bar of soap to do that? Not quite. Okay, let's try. This is a definite that we can do it with. This is a cup of water. So this is a liquid, gas, or a solid?
Liquid.
Liquid. Okay, with our cup of water, if I wanted to either make it a solid or a gas, what could we do to it? So it doesn't have to stay in the container. If I could move it into something else, would it stay the same?
If we put it in the freezer, that could turn it into a solid.
Okay.
Go to ice.
Yeah, so it would turn to ice if we put it into the freezer. So that's a temperature effect. Okay, that's good. So what if we did the reverse? So instead of freezing it, we wanted to, say, heat up the cup of water.
We could boil it.
We could boil it, and then how would that become a gas? What happens to the water?
It makes steam.
Steam, cool. So say if we had the kettle, and I want to pour my cup of water into the kettle, in 2 minutes' time when it's ready, I might start to see the steam or the gas burn out the top of the kettle. Good. So that's definitely something or a substance that can change from one matter to another. What about chocolate? What would we do if I had a block of chocolate here on the table? How would I make it a liquid?
We could melt it by heating it.
Heating it? Good. So it's that heating or temperature effect every time. So we could either cool something or we can heat something, and that can change it from one matter to the next.
Yeah.
Good job. Cut it there. See how long that took? I don't know how long that took. Ooh.